Yeah. Well, this is Horse All Natural. You know, I am the interviewer for the day, and who we have here is an upcoming, young star to the game. So go ahead and just introduce yourself, sir.
Yeah, you already know. I go by the name of Young Rich Don. 305 in my yayo. BT the Black Kingston City representative, you know what I mean? I am Mr. Kingston, you know what I mean? I'm Mr. Kingston City, you hear me? So right now we're just chill with my nigga Hassel Natural, you already
right.
Just chilling, drinking.
Young Kingston, Young Rich, Mr. Yeah. Kingston City.
The Don, you already know, niggas know me in the streets, know we get there, you feel me?
Alright, so you're a recording artist.
Yeah.
So how far have you reached in actually getting your foot into the game now? What stage are you at right now?
Shit, right now we've been in the streets trying to, get money. But right now, we finishing up the mixtape, just did like 14, 15 tracks, doing a little bit of promo videos, you feel me?
How is the mixtape coming along?
Shit, we got the tracks finished right now. We just mixing it down.
15, 14 tracks, yeah?
We got 14, 15 tracks, you feel me? We're trying to do a video for each track so you can, get to see the visual, the vision and see how I see things, you feel me? And just take a look into my life,
What kind of music now? What kind of rap music do you have to deliver?
Alright. So my type of music, I talk for the streets, you feel me? I talk for music and trap, doing their thing, getting it how we live, because we come from a struggle, you feel me? You don't know, anybody know Kingston, Jamaica know that majority is a struggle, you feel me? You don't know you have people that rich, you have rich people over there, but majority is, So, it's basically for the streets, We make music for the clubs though, we make music for the ladies, can't leave them out, you already know, but
yeah.
I'm also like street, street rap.
Street rap.
Street hip hop, gangster shit, you feel me?
Alright, so with this mixtape, how you going about this mixtape? It's just a mixtape? Do you have something else coming out, next album, or from this mixtape you want to get a buzz like how Drake did it, or you just keep, you don't care, you just gonna keep making mixtape? What's the ambition like? What's the purpose?
Right now, after we drop this mixtape, do some promotion. You already know, drop a couple singles. We're working on singles right now. Put on the radio. I already know, do a couple videos for that. Then we'll push the album. So probably like the album, we get that like later on down. You feel me? Probably like in the September, October, the last quarter. You feel me? Probably even December. Who knows? I might just, just keep doing singles, get some buzz off of that, eat off of that. Try to get some shows. You feel me? And go all over the world, spread this music, show niggas how we live. In the Kingston City. You feel me?
Okay. So what kind of like, who motivated you? Like, what kind of music do you listen to? Like,
My favorite rapper all the time is Tupac. You hear me?
That's what it is.
That's what it is, though. I fuck with diiiig. I fuck with the East Coast and West Coast. You know what I mean? But I was back then. You feel me? I still bump Tupac now. diiiig. You feel me? Right now, though, I go Weezy. You feel me? Because I've been listening to that nigga from like '96. The same time I started rapping. You know what I mean? So see, somebody my age, like 2 years older than me. You know what I mean? It's like, it's a blessing for say we're in reach right now.
Yeah.
The position that he in, the control of that, you feel me? Yeah, but apart from that, I listen to a lot of rappers, Styles P, Rick Ross, The Game, Dipset, you feel me? Cam, Joel.
That's what it is. That's what it is.
Real niggas, you feel me? Real niggas doing shit are creative shit.
What you think about like the state of rap, hip hop, whatever you want to call it?
Well, right now, it's all about making money, you know what I mean? Like, the love for the game ain't there like how it used to be, you feel me? Like, back in the days in the 90s, you know what I mean? Right now, young boys in the game, it's all about money, you know what I mean? Anything that sells, but, you know what I mean? I ain't finna do that, though, you know what I mean? I'm gonna keep it 100% hood, 100% real, you know what I mean? Throw a little club tracks in there, here and there, but nothing that you can dance to like Soulja Boy, you feel me? None of that Soulja Boy music. No disrespect, though, you feel me? That ain't my music, you know what I mean? That ain't all music in Jamaica. It's either reggae or it has to be gangster, you feel me? And I'ma just mix it, you know what I mean? Gangster with the reggae. So that's what I do. Let's say I'm like a rap version of Movado. That's what it is. Shout out to Movado, you don't know. I like him, go inside everybody, you feel me?
That's what it is. That's what it is. It's Young Rich.
Young Richard Don.
That's what it is. It's the Kingston.
You hear me? It's the Kingston City.
It's the Kingston City.
You already know.
That's what it is. You hear that, Sean Kingston? Yeah, we coming out. We real Jamaicans coming out.
You already know. Real.
I mean, Sean Kingston got some stuff though, but when he talk, I don't know. He like. He don't sound like I don't know if he really Jamaican or whatnot, but he does got it, but he don't sound like like how like when you talk or like I really Jamaican or something like that.
You know what I mean?
So,
that's what it is. I ain't hating, you feel me? But if a man gonna rep Jamaica, rep it. But I don't think that you should call it name Kingston. You know what I mean? If you never live in Kingston, never been in Kingston, never been in the streets. People don't know you, the clubs don't know you, girls don't know you, the real niggas don't know you, then it's like, yo, what's the sense in Kingston, you know what I mean? Like, Sean, whatever, but, you know what I mean, the Kingston, I ain't really feeling that, but it is what it is, though. I ain't hating, you know what I mean, I ain't no hater. Do what you do, you get your money, you feel me? You show me some money, I'll at me, I already know.
Shit, we can do a deal, you right, probably, you could probably do a track, shit, you know, make some money.
It's all about money, that's what the game is right now, you know what I mean? I've been doing this for like more than 10 years, you feel me, but just taking it serious for like 3-4 years, you know what I mean? I'm just about to go out right now, you know what I mean? I took a couple of years to watch the biz.
So where you situation? Where you located right now?
Shit, right now I'm located in the MIA or the 305. You already know, you know what I mean? South Florida, South Miami, you already know. Then I be in the Miramar, Broward, you already know. So I be all over Miami, you feel me? But that's where I be at, you know what I mean? When not, I'm in Kingston. When not, I'm in New York, you feel me? Harlem, shout out to Harlem, Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, Long Island, all of that, you feel me?
That's what it is.
I already know.
That's what it is. No music videos?
Yeah, you can check. I just got like two up right now. You know what I mean? Me and my homeboy Hassel Natural. You already know. Check out Sakan 38.
Yep, that's
you know what I mean? SACAN 38, no space. You know what I mean? Just put that up on YouTube. You already know, and then you will see what's up. You know what I mean? But we got new videos on the way. You feel me? We just in the process right now of doing more videos. So hopefully by the end of the week we got one more up. Then next week we got like 2 more.
If you want to check your tracks out, where do we go to check some tracks out?
Yeah, that's what I said. You know what I mean? You want to check tracks out? You go on YouTube. You know what I mean? And you just put in Sakan 38, SACAN 38, no space.
Okay, so you got the tracks and the videos on YouTube. That's what it is.
Yeah, you know what I mean? I ain't really messed with MySpace in a minute, you feel me? But you know what I mean? You go on Facebook, you type in Young Rich the Don, you know what I mean? And you pop up, you might see 2 more videos, you know what I mean? But that's what it is though, you feel me? That's where I keep my people located, you know what I mean? I use that for like, you know what I mean, just to get around, you know what I mean, on my people that I lost contact with in like years, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm really using Facebook for still. But I really have a Twitter thing right now still, but I'm setting that up though. Probably by next week you see another blog or end of the week, I already know.
All right.
I'll do some more.
So this, this gonna be on the YouTube.
Yeah, right.
It's 10 minutes or whatever. Spit. Let me hear something probably like a hook and then a verse and a hook. Just to show variety. These niggas be coming up with just bars and shit. I want to hear like half a song, real quick. A song and then a hook or whatever.
Yeah.
Let me see what's good.
Alright, yeah, right now we kind of twisted this thing, but I'm gonna try to remember a little something. You know what I mean? Because I got a lot of tracks and my mind is so cloudy.
Like 1 minute and 20 seconds.
You know what I mean? But we'll see what's up though. You know what I mean? Yeah. You know I'm about my dough. You know I'm about to blow. You get up in my way, then I'ma let it go. I've been doing my thing. I've been pimping these hoes. Every day I stay fresh. That's how the story goes. I'm not the one to talk that shit. When I let the thing click, empty a clip that I did. Niggas wanna run their lips and they get hit. But I stay on the block. I gotta move them bricks. I break it down and bag it up. It's hit the street. You know what I mean? Little bars. You know what I mean? I ain't got that much time, but you already know. You know what I mean? You should next blog, then I'll be spitting something.
I see that down south flow right there. You know that's what the flow like?
Yeah, right now we're on that down south. I'm in the MIA, you know what I mean? But I got different type of styles, you know what I mean? Different varieties, you feel me? Sometimes you might hear that down south, then you might hear that East Coast, you might hear a little bit of reggae, a little bit of, you know what I mean, sing. It is what it is. Whatever people like, you know what I mean, and I can deliver, I'm going to do that, you feel me? That's what it is.
That's what it is. So it's Young Rich signing off, man. It's good interviewing you and seeing what's really good with you, man.
You already know. Shout out
Looking
to
forward to the music.
You already know. Shout out to everybody out there, all my people, you know what I mean?